Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Until now, we have discussed and worked upon different data types like strings, numeric data types, lists, tuples, and arrays, numpy arrays, etc. Right? But we haven't yet worked with DateTime objects. But what if I want to store my birthday in an object within Python? Can I do that? Yeah, of course you can do that, but do not think that DateTime is a data type of its own. It is rather a module which is pre-installed in Python, which you can import and create DateTime objects and use them. Okay. So firstly, let us import our DateTime module. Yeah. Now I want to create an object for storing the present date. Let it be the date is equals to firstly the DateTime module and then the DateTime function, and finally I want to store the present date, so dot now. Done. Right? Now let us print our date object. Let us run the program now. Yeah, it has returned our date along with time, right? So also you can get the, if you don't want the complete date and time, you can get the particular year or particular month or particular date or time. Let us see. I'll use here. See here we have year, day, today, is of weekday, etc. Right? We have different functions to get different. Yeah, we got the present here, right? Now I don't want the present date. I want to store a particular date in my object date. Can I do that? Yeah, you can. Use DateTime. Now I want to create an object. So see here we have parameters year, integer, month, integer, day, hour, minutes, seconds, microseconds. Okay. So firstly we have year, right? So let me have it 2020 and let the month be 5 and then let the day be 12. Okay, now I'll run the program now. Yeah, sorry. Let me remove the year here. Yeah, it has returned our date which we have created. You can also have time also. Let me have it as hour. Let the hour to be 12 and number of minutes to be, remember that the number of minutes and seconds should be within 59, not up more than 59. Okay. Okay, now I'll run it again. Yeah, we have got our date along with the time created. Okay. Now the DateTime object also has a method for formatting date objects into readable strings. We have string formatting, right? In the same way we have a method for formatting the dates, which is strft time. Okay, so let us see how it works. Let the date time be the same. Let us change our print statement. I print date dot, I'll use the function, and then it takes a single parameter for formatting value. We have different format codes for years, for weekdays in short form, and for time, for seconds, for hours. Now I want to get my month now. So the code for getting the month is the percentile cap B. Okay, let's write it again. Yeah, we got our month May, right? So in the same way, you have different codes for getting the year, for getting the weekday, for getting the weekday in the short form, for getting the month in short form. We have different codes. I'll just throw the codes in the description box given below. You can go to them. Okay, so that's all with the DateTime module. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to follow my channel, please subscribe it. Also click the bell icon beside, and if you have any doubts, please reach me out in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.